And there is no longer reason to deny things like this. That is total stupidity to deny something like this with all this evidence. And ignorance is not bliss. Whoever made that statement that it's bliss was a fool himself, and he didn't know better. So I'm going to go show you the trees some more. Look what's in the trees. Look what's in the trees. Look at all those clusters in the trees. Everywhere. Everywhere I put the camera. There's absolutely no difference where I point the camera, or on what type of tree, or how far the tree is from me, or a certain specific area and not the other. No, it's all the same. Look, all the same. They're just all over, and there's no denying them. There's just no denying them. And that thing is a hexahedron, and it's showing its shape. It's always a hexahedron. They're all hexahedrons no matter what. That's their basic unit, a hexahedron, even at a subatomic level. From the smallest to the largest level of their existence, they are all, each and every single one of them, a hexahedron, bonded atomically, subatomically, any way you want, chemically. Okay? Any way you want. Hexahedron. Each and every one. Large or small. So there's no point in denying them. That would be ignorance and foolish. Take a good look. You're going to need to know what they look like. You're going to be looking at a lot of them. Maybe you don't see them now, but pretty soon you're going to be looking at a whole bunch of them. Because they'll be very visible to everyone. And no one will be able to say they don't see them anymore, or they can't see them. Because they'll certainly make themselves visible soon enough. And they're already visible. You just have to look. If you show interest and you look, you'll see them. But if you keep denying them, even when people like myself show them to you, put them on a silver platter and put it right in your face, and you still say no, well then don't cry later you didn't know about it. They're not going to care if you didn't know about it, or if you were ignorant, or not ignorant, or whatever. They're not going to worry about things like that. I can guarantee you that. Okay, so now you can really see that X. The beams protruding from top corners and bottom corners of the hexahedron. And now you can see the 3 orbs with a whole lot of smaller orbs right there all over them, because now the activity is getting higher because night is setting in and the sun is going down, and now the activity really starts. And that large hexahedron will be a whole lot larger by midnight and early into the morning hours, and so will those 3 on the bottom. They'll be a lot larger, and there'll be more by tomorrow being produced. Those 3 will leave and start their own thing someplace else in the woods around here, or go up into the atmosphere and do their thing up there. But they will be gone, and new ones will be forming all night, and tomorrow there'll be new ones ready to leave and start it all over again someplace else. And that's how they're spreading all over the planet. Every day, 24/7, that thing's making more. Okay, and that is not a street light. It's not Venus. It's not any other crazy idea people have said it was. This is a hexahedron cluster that is a living, interdimensional, extraterrestrial entity. You can really see how many entities there are now. They're more visible. Just going to back off a little bit to show a wider picture. Look how many. Those are all going from the ground right up into the atmosphere. And pretty soon the air will be so thick with them, you won't be able to see that far from here to there. That's how many will be in the air very soon. All the ones that were on the ground go up into the sky at night, and they come in early in the morning before sunup and go back on the ground, just like insects. Whatever they are, they seem to be nocturnal in terms of going up into the sky at night. They're in the sky during the day as well, but most of them go up into the sky at night. During the day, some of them are on the ground. I don't know the reason for that. Maybe they're resting, maybe they're feeding. I don't know what they're doing. But during the day, there's a lot of them on the ground. At night, they all seem to go up into the sky. And then you can just see clouds and clouds of them all over the sky. They cover the entire sky.